On from the previous video, okay? Now we got a nice little program here that we're going to take and we're going to create some subroutines out of and functions out of, okay? And the first one we're going to do is we're going to do an input, okay? And so let's call this sub input like this. Let's see, and we're going to have to get two different things, okay? By val side 1 as integer by val side 2 as an integer, like that, okay? Okay, there's two different ways that we can return things. One is by parameters, okay, and one is by functions, okay? This one here, we're going to use our parameters to return, okay? By ref, like that. First of all, we had by val in there, by ref. By val actually returns a value down there. It's a nice safe way to transfer information. By ref actually sends down the memory location. So we can actually change the value that's in the memory location of the variable that we called this by. And I'll talk a little more about that in class. Okay, let's see. Let's get some input here, okay? Oh, we got this up here already. Let's just copy this stuff down here. Stick that right here. B, just like that. Okay, beautiful. Okay, and now all we have to do is just call it our input. Call the subroutine up here, okay? Input, and then we're going to send it, okay, side 1 comma side 2, like that, okay? Notice how this one here, when you call it, okay, it has to have the same amount of parameters, and the parameters are actually in the same order. They don't have to have the same name like they are here, but they have to be in the same order. Okay, now our little calc one here. Let's create a calc. Sub calc. And let's see, let's return by val our side 1 as integer again, and by val side 2 as integer. And there, like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just take and copy this here, this calc stuff here, okay? We're going to take the calc stuff here, we're going to cut it out of here, and we're going to move it right down to here like this, okay? And oh, we got a variable here we don't have anything for. Let's create a variable in here. Dim as an integer. Okay, there, now we don't have a problem with that. Okay, just like that. How are we going to get this square foot again back up here? Let's, rather than making this a sub, let's change it to a function, okay? And the beauty of a function is that we can return something. When you create a function, you have to say as and what type of values are going to return. It's going to return an integer. Okay, like that. And now what we can do is, rather than doing all this blah blah, okay, we can just do something like this. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, just return that value, and then when we call it up here, this is really something. Watch this. Square feet is equal to calc. Okay, what do I have to send it? Side 1, side 2, like that. Just like that, okay? Isn't that something? And now what happens is that when it returns a value, it takes and sticks it right inside this variable here. Let's create one more. Sub output. We only have to send it everything here, okay? Side 1, whoop, by val, because we don't want to change it. Side 1 as an integer, and by val side 2 as an integer by val sq feet as an integer. Oh, there, like that. And now let's copy all this stuff from here, cut it out of there, okay? And stick it down here, like that. Okay, and now we're going to call this up here. We got to send it, we got to send it our side 1, side 2, and SQ feet, like that. Beautiful. Now you notice that nothing's global here, okay, but yet we've sent everything back and forth here, okay, using parameters and using functions. You can go ahead and try it. It's going to do the same thing as last time. Okay, 3 and 4 and right there. Oh, we got it in there twice? Yeah, okay. Connection line of code right up here, don't we? Let's get rid of this. Oh, I thought I cut that. I must have just copied it like that. That's it.